Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial on Cuteluks. On my table is a brown paper. Yes, you could be looking at the table that why am I showing you a brown paper? It's not just a brown paper, there's a shell on it. Can you see? There's a shell on it. So in this video I want to show you how to stone your sleeve or any part of your clothes that has a net on it. You can see I have a sample here. You see how lovely this one came out. I finished stoning it without having cracks on it, and while I stone, I was very conscious of the edges at the joining side of the sleeve and the connection of the armhole, the sleeve to the armhole. You can see I didn't get to those edges. Okay, so that my pressed foot does not shift my stone and then cracks the net, and then the client will tell me that, oh, you gave me a cheap net, or you gave me a rough work, you're not good at what you're doing. All those kind of thing has to stop. So in this video I'm going to show you an easier method on how to stone your shell without having cracks or force from the net trying to leave the material on our table. So that's why I have my brown paper here and I have the shell on the table. My iron already ready with the water inside of it, well steamed, and these are my stones. You can see, ready for us to use. You can see the way they are glittering, and then I'm going to start placing the one after the other. Also, I have my cotton material here to go. Make sure you always have a cotton material to lay, not a synthetic. So I'm going to start placing this one after the other. So if you're joining us for the first time, you're very welcome, and if you've been here all the way with us, thank you so much. We really appreciate. So while you watch the video, please like, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever we drop new videos. Subscribe please, and then join the comment section in case you're still having issues on the kind of stones you should use. I will be there to assist you. So let's go straight to why we're here to stone this net and show you how to go about it. So these are the edges. I won't be coming to this area. I'm going to start carefully from this area. And mind you, while you're cutting the sleeve or any part of your net, we have the stretchy and the non-stretchy part of your net. Make sure the stretchy part is the side you use for the round part of your body or your sleeve, and the non-stretchy becomes the length of that sleeve or the body. So I'm going to place the stones carefully on this net, or you can call it a shell. So I'll place it carefully. At least I'm going to place it to the quantity whereby you can see, so when I'm done working you can actually understand what I am saying. We actually have those that are home that likes their clothes to be stoned. Maybe they check the price that a clothes maker will charge them to stone their clothes fully, and they want to stone the sleeve of their clothes. Even if it has been done on the clothes, the sleeve has been connected to the clothes, all you have to do is place it on the table, pass a brown paper in between the sleeves, and then stone one area and stone the other area, passing your paper in between. But make sure you're laying a cotton material on it because of burn. Some synthetic material can be funny, no matter how careful you can be, not when you're working with a synthetic and a net. It's very risky. Both materials are very fragile when it comes to a heated iron, because when it comes to stoning of your clothes, you need a heated iron at least, so that it will help with the holding back of the gum from the stone. So I think I've placed enough, so we are going to be sticking this down. So I have my cotton material ready here. I'm going to place it carefully. You can see my net is not showing at any of the angle, and so I'm going to take my iron. You can see with the steam coming out, even though my iron does not burn clothes, or not when it comes to nets are very fragile. If you notice the edges and this other area, my net is not showing at all. So I'm going to do the same thing here, carefully making sure the both edges nets are not showing there, so the iron does not kiss the net, and then your client will tell you you are not good at what you do. That is not a good report from a client. Or you find yourself recutting a sleeve you've already cut. It can be annoying. So Let's open our bride. Can you see how beautiful she is? Glittering, clink, 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 clink. So I'm going to move this carefully so you see. Even with one hand, I can move carefully. Can you see what I'm doing? Without cracking my material or forcing it to stand up. So you see, even though stones can be funny with their sticky behavior, so you see, still moved carefully, and we are done, guys. See the back, looking very neat. This is the back part. Can you see it? And this is the front side. I'm going to show you. This is the front side with stoned. Can you see how relaxed it is? So guys, thank you so much for joining me in today's tutorial. I'm very happy to have you guys here. You can also follow us on our Facebook channel, Cuteluks Stitches. There you get to see lovely styles and you get to watch our videos as well there on Facebook. So we're done with this. Like I said, don't forget the edges. Do not stick your stone on the edges. If not, the pressure foot will push the stone and crack your net. Same with the connection to the sleeve area. So you can see, don't put stones around them. So when you sew with your 1/2 inch, you don't have to force this material. So thank you for today. Don't forget, please like, subscribe please, and also turn your notification. I will be seeing you in my next tutorial. Bye bye.